Do you want to read a book which is fast-paced, filled with suspense and is intriguing? Do you want to read a book which is mind-turner and mind-shaker? Do you want to read a book which is captivating and engaging? If yes is your answer, then this video is certainly for you. Hello and welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preetha. In today's video, I will talk about this popular book called Mossad, the greatest mission of Israeli Secret Service. If you are watching my videos for the first time, then do hit the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I make videos on books, on career, on life and on personal. Mossad, the greatest mission of Israeli Secret Service, talks in depth about the dangerous operation that have been undertaken by Mossad, which has shaped Israel and the world at large. Mossad is more than 60 years old secret service based in Tel Aviv, which is the capital of Israel. Some of the notable work of Mossad which I have noted down and which I would like to mention in this particular video are: waging war against Iran by sabotaging nuclear facilities, assassinating scientists, introducing ferocious virus into Iran's computer, fighting against nuclear armed threat of Iran as a result of delayed Iranian nuclear bomb for several years, were to name a few. In this particular book, Mossad, there is mention of both achievement as well as the failures of the greatest heroes of Mossad, activities which helped in shaping the future of Iran and the world at large. The book in details talk about the formation of Mossad, their operation and how all this impacted the world political scenario. The book has been highly successful in keeping the readers engaged from the first till the last page. If you have seen the Hindi movies or the English films which had spies as heroes, then I'm sure you will definitely like to read this particular book called Mossad. You know, every activity that has been mentioned or every event that has been mentioned in this particular book, Mossad, is like a film itself. Many a times we have seen that an aeroplane has crashed. We don't know why it has happened, but that has been mentioned in this particular book called Mossad, and what is the reason for bombing or blast or in particular air crash. So if you like to read and find out the why of all these international events, then do read this book, Mossad. This book is certainly for those people who like to know about different impactful incidents which have impacted not only the Islamic countries but also the world at large. This book, Mossad, the language is easy, simple. The narration is extremely fast-paced. But I will say that this book is certainly not for beginner-level readers. Now let me talk about the title and the book's cover. The title of the book, Mossad, is perfect for whatever has been mentioned in this particular book, Mossad. Everything is centered around activities of Mossad. And the cover of the book, full justice has been done while making the cover for this particular book, Mossad. Also, let me mention that I have given in the description section below the link of this particular book. So after hearing this review and discussion about this particular book, Mossad, if you are interested to buy the book, then do buy it from the link given in the description section below. Because if you buy it from the link given in the description section below, then I get small percentage as a commission from Amazon affiliate link. Let me talk about what I liked in this particular book, Mossad. The subject and the plot of the book is extremely intriguing and interesting. I, as a reader, was hooked from the very first till the last page. There is nothing that I can say that I did not like about this book, Mossad, the greatest mission of Israeli Secret Service. Who should read this particular book? Mossad. The ones who are interested to know about world history, about international politics and policies with a fast-paced, gripping narration. This book is certainly for them. If you are not interested in world history, international politics and policies, then you can give this book a miss. But I would always say that if you like to read something that is very fast-paced, narration with interesting description of events, then do try out reading this particular book called Mossad. I have heard that a second book by the same author Joe has been already published, and it is called Commando or something. I will put the link of that book also in the description section below, because after reading this book and the kind of narration that has been presented by the author Dio in this particular book, I am definitely intrigued to read the next book by the same set of authors. Overall, I rated this particular book, Mossad, The Greatest Mission of Israeli Secret Service, 4 out of 5 stars. And I am, as I said, looking forward to read the other book by the same set of authors. If you like this particular video, then do hit a thumbs up, and to watch similar videos, do subscribe my channel Book Tales by Preetha. Till then, tata and goodbye, and I will see you soon in my next video.